Good morning, everybody. It's Rob here, and obviously it's not a gardening show. There's the corn from last year. That's the popcorn. And here are the cars, totally buried. Yes, we are having some sort of a storm. Pretty cool. Now we're gonna go back to the house, to the back, where people won't look at me and think I'm insane because I'm talking to myself. And it's at cat tracks. Those are my moonbeams tracks. And this is, you can't see this, but wow, it's like 2 feet of snow out here. The deer came into town last night and cleaned that feeder back over there. You guys get a little bit of this one here. Oh yeah, they got into that one too. So I'll be filling up those feeders today. To give you an idea, there's the garden. You can't even tell the difference between the garden and that, but there it is. All its glory. Winter is here. Anyway, Rob out. Peach trees are going to bed. Pear trees too. Rob out. Take care, everyone.